Hi there, students. Teal independence. Okay, if you've been following the elections in Australia, you will find a lot of press coverage about the Teal independence. These are effectively a platform or a group of people, ladies, who are pro-environment and anti-corruption. They're progressive socially, but economically they're very conservative. So it's an alternative to the Liberal Party in Australia. Let's see. Teal. Teal is a colour. It's a blue-green colour, and this word teal I have seen everywhere recently. I think it's one of the new buzzwords. Teal. It's a blue-green colour. A teal is actually a type of duck, and in its plumage, in its feathers, it has this teal colour. So, teal independence, or teal politically. This is something that I think we're going to see quite a lot more of in the future. The teal independents are a group of women, they're female candidates, who generally in Australia they receive funding from ecologist groups or from the ecologists. And their politics is a mixture of blue, the Liberals, and green, the Green Party. And normally in Australia they ran against Liberal MPs, yeah, and they actually had really quite a lot of success. Mostly the ladies who were running as Teal independents are not politicians, but they're professional women. Okay, and I think Teal, we're going to see a lot more about Teal in the press in the upcoming future. So they have a much more urgent view about global warming. They have much stricter targets about reducing global warming. However, they don't want to change the economy. They follow traditional right-wing economic models, but socially they are progressive and they want to change. So there's a mixture of various things here. I think liberal normally is right-wing economy and left-wing social program, but this adds the importance of reducing greenhouse gas emissions. And I think this is providing people with a party or with a political point of view which emphasizes the problems of global warming, talks about changes in society to make society better, but without radically changing the finance system, how business works. Okay, so Teal independence, or very often just Teal, and I think this word Teal in politics we're going to see more and more and more of. As to formality, I would probably give this a 5 in formality. I think you can use it anywhere. I think this is a new upcoming word, so probably a neologism as well. So, Teal independence. These specifically are Australian. Teal also politically in New Zealand as well. An alternative to the Greens that's not so extreme and so left-wing, but much more concerned than the traditional liberal conservative Labour parties about greenhouse gases and protecting our environment. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Teal Independent.